Hey everyone! In today's tech tip, we're going to show you how to record a video inside of Teams. So this is helpful for a lot of reasons. Maybe you want to record a message to your entire staff or set up a training video just to a few colleagues. Or maybe if you have someone outside the organization you want to send a video message to, this option could work for you as well. So to get started, I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how to do this. So I'm right here in my Teams in my calendar option. So I'm going to click on the Meet Now button. It automatically gives your meeting a name, and I'm going to rename this meeting to Video with Ellie. I'm going to click Start Meeting. And here are the same options that you're used to seeing with any video that you start a meeting with. So you're going to click Join Now. I'm not going to click it because I already have a meeting going. But what will happen when you click Join Now, it's going to ask you to invite a few more people to your meeting. Again, for today's purpose and for the purpose of your video, you're just going to exit out of that as you just need to do a one-on-one video recording. So then you are led to this screen that you're used to seeing as well. We're going to come up here to the More Actions, and you're going to click Start Recording. This is where you'll start your meeting, share your screen, send your message, etc. When you're finished, you'll click Stop Recording and then just leave the meeting as usual. So now this is where the magic happens. I will show you where this video actually ends up. So if I come over here to my chat, you can see here it's created a chat for all of the meetings. So I created a test meeting for us earlier so you could see where it gets saved. So here's my meeting right here. And if I click it, it's going to open up my web browser into OneDrive and show me that recording. We'll come back to these options in a second. So first and foremost, this meeting is now saved in my OneDrive. So I'm ready to share this with my extended team, maybe my entire team. This is an update from me that I want them to see. So I'm going to come over here, and here's my general channel that is going to go to everyone in my organization. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to attach that file. I'm going to navigate to OneDrive, and Microsoft is already saving these recordings in a recordings folder. So here's that meeting that I had earlier, and I'm going to upload a copy. Something important to note here is when you are uploading a video from your OneDrive into a Teams, like a channel or a shared Teams, it will upload a copy that will save always, now be saved within this channel. So if you do delete it on your OneDrive later, people will still have access to it. But share it just with one team member. Maybe I'm going to send this to James. So I'm going to upload this again. I'm going to navigate to the attachments, upload to my come to my recordings, and I'm going to share this video message with him. You can see here it just says share. It didn't say make a copy. Where'd it go? There we go. So this is just going to share it from my personal OneDrive to James. So this is important to note that if you do delete your message on your OneDrive, it will delete it so James doesn't have access to it later. So click share. Oh, now it's uploading twice. I'm going to get rid of that one. And then I can share it with him as usual. So let's navigate back to your OneDrive and where your sharing options are here. You have the option to download it, copy a link, delete it, look at the version history. But the important thing here is this sharing. So let's say you did want to share this with someone outside your organization. You will edit using these sharing options. So maybe let's say we want to share it with a specific person. You can just type the email address in as usual, but maybe you want it with anyone with a link. It will set to expire at a certain time. And so from there, this is for security reasons. And then from there, you can copy the link and you can send this in an email. So again, this is great for lots of reasons, maybe a video message to someone new that you want to introduce yourself to. So that completes showing you how to set up a video or how to create a video using Teams. So I hope this information was helpful. And as always, if you have any questions, email us at info@enable.email, and we'd love to help you. Thanks so much. Bye.